So this is our third video for interview preparation. In the first two videos, if you have not seen, I have provided the link in the description. Please go through that. We have already talked about what is the interview answering approach, which we call as KPE, keywords, perspective and examples. I have also given an example for that in the second video. Today I'm going to talk about a new approach of answering the question. It is about using the references of your project when you are answering your interview questions. I'll talk about that with an example as well. Like for example, in a complex question, for example, let's take an advanced question. If in a Salesforce developer interview, if an interviewer asks you that, have you worked on any specific Apex trigger framework? Can you explain that? So most of the times we are stuck with the technical answer. We are not giving the references. And even if we are giving references, those specific references are generic stuff which we have read somewhere, right? If you are giving references specifically from your live projects which you have done, the next set of questions which will be coming from the interviewer will be about your project, and that's what we want. For example, if somebody asks you this question about trigger framework, you can start with yes, most of the time we work with the handler framework. So what exactly the handler framework is, we talk about it. What are the advantages of using the handler framework over writing normal triggers? What are the different type of handler frameworks we have right now, either by using virtual classes or by using interfaces, or there are multiple explanations, right? And in the end, you can talk about, for example, in one of my projects which I have done, for example, if I have done HR management application, if I have created, I have used one trigger where I have used the handler trigger to execute this particular requirement. In that case, you'll be actually talking about your project as well. And there's a very high chance that by the time you complete your answer, the interviewer will be asking the question, can you explain more about your project? And that will be a value addition of your answer. It is just like playing an antakshari, right? All the Indian audience will understand this thing, that you have already chalked out your next interview question. If you are well prepared about it, you can go through that, right? So in this way, if you can give the correct references of your live projects in your answers, there's a very high chance you already know the answer of your next question. So see you in the next video, and all the very best.